Hello everybody, my name is Joshua, other known as Anthesium, and today I will be teaching you how to Shadowplay on Badlion client, PvPLounge, and Lunar client using a NVIDIA and Intel graphics laptop. Basically, for desktop users, you would not have to worry about doing this. Basically, you would use desktop capture and it would just be as simple as that. But for laptops, we actually don't have desktop capture and we have to stick to individually adding Shadowplay to each one of these, which isn't much of an issue. It's pretty easy. So how about we get into it? Alright, so let's start off with Badlion client. This one is probably the hardest out of the many. First of all, we're not going to want to be in our downloads. Well, actually, we can be here anyway. Basically, what you're going to want to do, first of all, before we start anything, is head up to the top over here and click on View. Then make sure that Hidden Items is checked so that we don't have to worry about the hidden items that we are going to come across. You can just exit out of that. What you're going to want to do next is go to NVIDIA Control Panel. Wait a couple seconds for it to load. Once it all has loaded up, you're going to want to go to your Manage 3D Settings, head over to Program Settings. I guess we don't have to wait for it. You're going to want to hit Browse, or you're going to want to hit Add, then click on Browse. Next, you're going to want to go to your local disk, or wherever you install the Badlion client, and head over to Program Data, which should be this transparent folder that would be hidden if we didn't uncheck it earlier. And head over to Badlion Client, JRE, bin, and you're going to want to click on javaw.exe and hit Open. Basically, you will be here, and it will usually say Use Global Setting, and it'll be on this. Well, I don't know what's up, but it usually never works for me if I just have it as this. So I go over to High Performance NVIDIA Processor. I click that. Sometimes I'll change settings on this, and then I'll go over to hit Apply. Alright, now we are finished with the Badlion client. Now we've got Lunar client up next. What you're going to want to do for Lunar client is a little bit different. You're once again going to want to open up your NVIDIA control panel. Wait for it to load once more. Go back to 3D, Manage 3D Settings, Program Settings, and hit Add. Browse. From here, you're going to want to go to your local disk again, Users, your profile, basically, and Lunar Client, .lunar client. Go to Offline, JRE, bin, and click on javaw.exe once more. Now you should be here. Make sure you click on High Performance NVIDIA Processor, change your settings, and hit Apply. And now you are able to use Shadowplay on your Lunar client. And finally, we are going to be doing PvPLounge. You're going to want to open up your NVIDIA control panel for the final time. Next, Program Settings, inside your Manage 3D Settings. Hit Add. Browse. For this one, you are going to want to go up here to the bar and type %appdata%. You're going to see .pvplounge. Make sure you click on Launcher, Open, and click on High Performance NVIDIA Processor. Change your settings and hit Apply. Now, this isn't it for it. You're going to want to go back in, hit Add, Browse, and also go inside of the JRE, 1.8 bin, and click on javaw.exe. Make sure that this is also a high-performance NVIDIA processor. I don't think changing the settings on this one will impact anything, to be honest, because, I don't know, I haven't seen an impact when I did it. So make sure you just hit apply. And you should be all set. Once you have been finished with all of these, you're going to want to restart your computer and just enjoy your Minecraft clients.